Introduction. Hello dear friends, I'm sure you must be enjoying your studies. As a treat, I have brought this bottle of juice for you. Can you tell how many glasses can we fill with the juice? Let us find out. We can fill our glasses with the juice from this bottle. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare containers which hold different amount of liquid. Arrange the containers with different amount of liquid in increasing or decreasing order. This is a spoon. I will now fill this spoon with milk. Let us see how many drops of milk are required to fill the spoon. Here goes the first drop, and this is second drop of milk in the spoon. The spoon is still empty. Let us put one more drop in the spoon. And now the fourth drop. Now the spoon is full. Hence, 4 drops of milk are needed to fill the spoon. Let us do another activity. We have 3 different vessels and a jug. We will fill water from the jug in these 3 vessels. Let us start with the first vessel. 1, 2, and 3. Here we see that 3 jugs of water fill the first vessel. Now let us fill the second vessel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, the bucket is full. Here 4 jugs of water fill this bucket. Now let us fill the third vessel. 1 and 2. 2 jugs of water fill the third vessel. Friends, we have seen that vessel 1 is filled with 3 jugs of water. Vessel 2 is filled with 4 jugs of water, and vessel 3 is filled with 2 jugs of water. It means vessel 3 holds least water, and vessel 2 holds most of the water. Sam brought a bottle of milk. Can he empty this bottle in a glass? He fills the glass with the milk from the bottle. Look, milk is still there in the bottle. He then takes another glass and pours the remaining milk in it. Look, the bottle is empty now. Thus, Sam can empty this bottle of milk into 2 glasses. Can we empty this bottle in a jug? Let us see. Fill the jug with the milk. The bottle is empty. We can empty this bottle in a jug. Friends, we have 3 different vessels. Which vessel holds the least water? Yes, you are right. The bowl holds the least water. A jar holds more water than the bowl. And the pot holds more water than the bowl and the jar. Let us now arrange these vessels in an increasing order. Bowl comes first because it holds the least water. The next in the row is jar, as it holds more water than the bowl. At last we place the pot because it holds more water than the bowl and the jar. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We have learned to compare the vessels containing liquid. We can arrange the containers in a row based on the different amount of liquids in them.